The big reason I wanted to go over this particular problem is just to remind you that when you're solving an exponential equation that you don't necessarily need to use logarithms. And I want to bring this up because logs are fresh in our heads. It was one of the last things that we covered. And so we're just kind of getting into the flow of that. But just take a step back earlier in the chapter when we said the easiest way to solve exponential equations is if we can make the base of both sides match up. And that is what can happen in this particular problem here. So I just want to remind you of that we could say on the right hand side, instead of 64, let's rewrite this as 4 cubed. Now, over there on that right hand side, when you raise a power to a power, you can multiply the powers. So we can actually distribute the 3 across x minus 1, giving us 3x minus 3. Once those bases match up, we can basically ignore the bases, and this equation is just x equals 3x minus 3. If we subtract 3x from each side, and then divide by -2. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, giving us 3 halves, and that is option D.